currently my view from my window. There isn't a view. So things I need to get done today. One, finish up the vlog that's supposed to go on in a few hours, and probably at some point try to scoop out. So our attic has a few issues. The windows are all broken out, so we just have like one weird window, and there's like snow coming in. So there's like drifts in my house. So that's good. Okay, I'm going down. I'm about to put on the cutest outfit you've ever seen. So just to update really quick. I've been trying to get the vlog on pretty much the whole day. I've been trying to get it done. It was sort of a different kind of vlog. It was more of like a story. The video basically sucked. But I looked like an astronaut, but I was going to upload it anyway. You know, I want to upload every day, but the internet is fading in and out, so I can't get the video on. So I'm sort of taking it as a sign from the universe that the video sucked and that I shouldn't post it. I'm about to go venture out into the blizzard and just explore, because that's my favorite thing to do. I think we've gotten about a foot of snow so far. It's still snowing and there's like a lot of wind, so it's like drifting and stuff. This is the funniest outfit of the day I've ever seen in my life. You know what? It's the only snowsuit I have, okay? Don't make fun of it. I look like a puffy astronaut Oompa Loompa, and I have two coats on. Dad said that he scooped this right before he came in the house. There's a pile. That is oh my gosh. It's like a safe haven over here. That is one big drift. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon, clearly. Alright, so I'm back in now, and I'm going to respond to some comments really quick. Luckily, it's white as snow out, so I still have good lighting, even though it's like 5:44 p.m. First comment is from Carrie, and she says, "Can you add Sunday outfit of the days to the vlogs? Your outfits are always so cute. Also, love the farm stuff you include. So interesting and cool to see." Thanks! Yeah, I'll definitely try to add in some outfit stuff. I kind of forget about it sometimes, but yeah, I can definitely add some outfit stuff in. And I'm really glad that you like the farm stuff. I'll try to show like little tidbits every now and again, but I don't want to show too much to like make it boring or anything. Lauren asks, could you do a room tour / exercises you do to stay fit? My room hasn't changed since I did my last room tour, so I'll have that link down below in this video if you guys want to watch it. I really don't do any special exercises or anything. I just like either use the elliptical or the stationary bike. Like I don't really do anything else besides that. Lifting snow. Jennifer says, I've loved watching you grow over the past few years. You've changed so much. Also, I was just wondering what your goals / aspirations are regarding what you want to do career-wise. That's a tough one. Career-wise, I've never really known. I don't really have a set like thing that I love a lot. Yeah, honestly, I really don't know. I don't know if you consider this an aspiration, but I mean, I've always wanted to be a mom, and that's one thing I know for sure. So that's all I can say right now, but time will tell. Tiana says, I am obsessed with these vlogs. Every day when I wake up, I search my subscription box for it and get so excited when I see it in there. Thanks, Tiana. I'm really glad to hear that. Another thing I was wondering was, what time do you guys prefer for me to post? Like, what time are you guys checking to see like who uploaded and stuff? Because I usually try to post like between like 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. But if you guys want me to post in the morning, let me know. Thank you guys for all the comments you leave me. Like, I enjoy so much reading them every day. and they really help me out and just keep me motivated to keep making more of these. And I'm really sorry that I didn't post yesterday, but like I said, like our landline phone isn't even working right now, and our internet like is fading in and out because of this blizzard situation, and there was really nothing I can do. I think I'm gonna go make some waffles right now. Like, I'm really in the mood for a beautiful waffle. Snow update. There's my dad and my dog out there in the blizzard. Oh my goodness. I hope he's alright. Still blowing really hard. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Alright, so I'm about to head to bed. It's like... wait, is my clock alright? I'm pretty sure my clock is broken. Fun fact, I always keep my clocks, like, I never change them from daylight savings time. So that would be 9 o'clock instead of 8 o'clock. But it's actually 11 o'clock. Probably needs new batteries. I'm probably gonna scoop a lot of snow tomorrow, so I figured maybe it'd be good to get an early start on sleep. Good night.